friends, hope you all are doing great. Thaisn here. Today I'm going to talk about how to create intros and outros actually for your social media. So let's just get into a Google Chrome. Even in many freelancing websites, people are actually doing the servers and earning a lot, and actually they are doing great. So even you can learn those, and actually it's going to be a free website where we can actually make all this. So I'm just going to type panzoid.com. Panzoid, panzoid.com. Okay, so this is how actually it will look like. Panzoid. So this is how the page will look like, and here T is given actually because I have already signed up here. Here the same place it will show you sign up symbol. Just give your email ID and get into this. So here all I'm going to talk about, here you can see a number of templates are available. So if you want to choose anyone, you can just have it. Actually for intros and outros you can choose anyone. So let me just drag this down. Here you can see video editor, online video editor is here. So you can make your backgrounder and also clip maker. So now what I'm going to do is actually here few clip makers are given here. I'll just click on more creations, and here I'm going to just type intros or outros, whichever you want to make. Just click on outros. So if you want to make intros, you just click on intros. So it will, so this is all the outros actually. So here you can see whichever sample you really like it, you can choose it, and all you have to do is just you have to do the editing process by just clicking on it and changing the name. So let me first choose any one from here. So friends, I'll just select this one. So here you can see open clip maker. I'll just click on open clip maker. So let me just play and show you how really it looks like. Like, comment, and subscribe. How it's gonna be. So what I'm going to do, just click on this eye so that actually the 3D effects will remove. So now if you want to make changes actually, if you want to add one more text actually, so all you have to do is just click here object, and here you can see light effects are given. Group action is actually thanks. Instead of thanks you can write anything actually, like something your what is that. So here they have given thanks. So instead of thanks you can just, all you have to do is just click here and you have to actually write whatever you wanted. So I'll just type here learn, explore and grow high. And if you want to make any custom over here, just actually by clicking on any of these forms, you can just make it bold here. And it is a 3D format, so we have to actually change this at the same time. So let me just click on this, and here I'm going to just again type learn, explore and grow high. So here I have done typing this. If you want to just select any font, I'll just select bold font. So now you can see like, comment, subscribe. So here you can see this learn, explore, grow high. It doesn't actually, I'm not able to see that. So what we have to do is we have to decrease our height. All that we need to change. So I'll make it to 10. Thickness I'll make it a little bit too, and here you can see center point or where you want. I'll just type here on back. So let's see how it looks. So let's reduce the height a little more. So I'll reduce it to 8, and thickness also actually I'll reduce it to 1, and I'll do detail. Then the size and thickness I have reduced, and then point comes to scale, all that how you want the appearance to be custom or video, like how you want, like an image. So single color food, so many things are given here. Appearance, just click here like video. So let's see how it looks like. I'll just select that single color. Let's see how it looks. Now I'm going to change the color of that, so I'll change it to yellow color so that I can look it. So just I'll select the color yellow. So we can, I think actually this is very lengthy. We can just type here thanks. Actually bold font. So now let's just play. Very simple it is, and if you want to change the audio of this, actually if you want to change audio, so all you have to do is just click on audio file, and you don't want that actually what it is playing, so just click on audio file, select it from, if you have, I have one from in my computer, so I'll just select that. I'll click on open. So this is how you can actually create your own intros and outros using all this. And here one more thing, if you want to actually, if you're done editing all this, so here's something called object. Here using this we are going to actually change the text whichever we want. And if you want to add few more objects, actually like shapes, you want to have few more shapes over here, you can make it. And 3D text, if you want more, you want to add, just you can click on text. And actually here you can see, if you just click on text here, it is asking you for the group name own, and by using this audio library you can actually select your audio which you want. So hope you all have got it. And then actually now the point comes to download option, so just click on download, and actually here you can see it will get rendered, so it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So here you can see now it is asking download your video. I'll just click on download your video. You can see our video is downloaded. Let's just open this and play here. So that's it. So hope you all have enjoyed this, actually watching this intros and outros video. You can just learn by using this Panzoid. You can do many more things, and by using that clip maker, just you can make of your own the intros and outros and many other editing part. You can just do it. So hope you all have enjoyed the session. Take care. Bye bye.